Welcome to our automotive learning channel. Basic car maintenance and repair, how to change oil. Welcome to our tutorial on changing oil, a fundamental task in maintaining your car's performance and longevity. In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of why oil needs to be changed, what tools and materials you'll need, and step-by-step instructions on how to complete the task. Why change oil? Oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine, lubricating and cooling internal parts to prevent wear and tear. Over time, however, oil can become dirty and contaminated, reducing its effectiveness and potentially causing damage. Regular oil changes are essential for keeping your engine running smoothly and avoiding costly repairs. Before you begin, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. A new oil filter and oil of the correct type and viscosity for your car's make and model. A drain pan or container to catch the old oil. A funnel. A socket wrench or oil filter wrench. A floor jack with jack stands. Do not rely on a jack alone to support the vehicle. Use jack stands. Step-by-step instructions. Position your car on a level surface and support the vehicle on jack stands using a floor jack to lift the vehicle. Check your owner's manual for proper placement of a floor jack to lift the vehicle safely. Locate and remove the oil drain plug. This is usually located at the lowest part of the engine. Using the socket wrench or oil filter wrench, remove the oil filter. Be sure to catch any oil that may spill out with the drain pan or container. Allow the old oil to drain completely, making sure to catch it all in the drain pan or container. Replace the oil drain plug gasket, and hand tighten it. Take the new oil filter and lubricate the seal with a small amount of new oil. Install the new oil filter, tightening it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Using the funnel, pour the new oil into the engine, making sure to check the oil level with the dipstick or oil level gauge. The oil level should be between the low and full marks. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Then turn off the engine, wipe dipstick clean, and check the oil level again, making sure that it's still within the correct range. Dispose of the old oil and filter properly, according to the regulations of your area. Conclusion. Changing oil may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, materials, and instructions, it's actually quite easy. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car's engine is lubricated and cooled properly, preventing wear and tear and extending the life of your vehicle. Note, the above is a general guide. It's important to consult your car's manual and use the recommended oil and oil filter for your specific make and model before starting. Thanks for watching.